Hello, I'm Phone Genius, and today we're kicking off our first episode with a bang. Today we're reviewing the $14 Alcatel One Touch Pixie Eclipse. Let's get started. This phone right here is the Alcatel One Touch Pixie Eclipse. Quite a name for a cheap phone. This was $14.88 at Walmart. I think it is right now, just $14.88 right now at Walmart. You can pick it up. You can pick it up at Walmart or Straight Talk website, I think. So it has a 4-inch touchscreen. Before you go kill yourself over a 4-inch touchscreen, you know what else has a 4-inch touchscreen? Every single part of the iPhone 5 series. If you look, this is the actual size of the phone. Exactly the same as the iPhone 5, 5C, SE, 5S, etc. So don't go complain about that. Android 4.4 KitKat, not that bad. KitKat's alright. 4 gigabytes of memory. That's a bit of a problem, but it does have a micro SD card slot, so that should be good. It has a 2 megapixel camera. It doesn't have a front-facing camera, which sucks, but it has a 2 megapixel rear-facing shooter, and it has Wi-Fi. And it does 4G LTE. I'm not sure. I think it might be able to be unlocked, but right now it's part of the Straight Talk wireless carrier. Oh, I'll open it and look. There's a phone. It's one of these just general whatever boxes. Alright. We have a activation card. I won't use that. We'll put that to the side. Let's see. Straight Talk wireless thing. Home phone coupon. And the service guide. And here's the little package. And how did the alarm not go off? Because look, there's 2 little things there, and I just walked right through it. Alright. We have the back, the battery, quick start guide, warranty guide, and our USB wall plug. Oh, it isn't USB. It's a micro USB, but it's not like a USB. It's like just like a regular wall plug. That sucks. I wish there would have been USB. Alright, and the phone itself is here. It's a bit thick. Let's get the battery. The battery is a lithium-ion 1400 milliamp hours. For a phone this size, I don't think that's that bad because it's not such a high quality screen, and it's not the highest processor, so I'm not complaining. It's alright. Put that in there, and then we'll take the back battery cover out. And we'll peel off that sticker on the camera. We'll put the back on. This is like an Alcatel One Touch Pixie Eclipse, but like a bit bigger and at like $5 cheaper. Wait, satisfaction. Ooh. Oh. Alright, here we go. Big track phone logo on the front. Let's see if it has any juice. Yes, it does. We'll let that start up. Let's see the reflection. I'm recording with my Note Edge because it has a wide angle front facing, rather than my iPhone, which doesn't. Come on, start. Track phone. Alright, let's set it up. Get started. Normal font size. The Android keyboard. Set up Wi-Fi. I'll just set up Wi-Fi right here. Set up now. Wi-Fi. Put in my password. Oh. Well, I'll come back. Alright, I'm back. It just took a while for me to set up the Wi-Fi. Okay. Did a set up Google account. Existing. Alright, I'm signing in. Set up screen lock. I'll do a pattern. I like patterns. The screen's not terrible. Actually, it looks pretty nice. It's a little 4-incher, but it's okay. I'm in. Activate, yeah. Backup, yes. Location on. I'll leave that on. Okay. Enjoy. Agree. Agree. Enjoy now. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let me take off that stupid Alcatel. It's not an Alcatel, it's like, just a track phone wallpaper. I don't like it. Alright, how do we change the wallpaper? I think we go into settings. It's stock Android. I'm pretty sure. It looks like stock Android. And it doesn't have any software buttons. They're just the little keys on the bottom. About phone, let's see. Yeah, it's Android 4.4.4. That's KitKat. It's decent. I mean, KitKat's alright. It was my favorite Android OS because one of my first phones was a Galaxy S4, and that had KitKat. But I have another Galaxy S4, but it's not my original one. But that one has Lollipop. I wish I could downgrade it to KitKat because it was better with KitKat than Lollipop. Where is the screen's actually really good. It's really sharp, actually. It shows a lot of nice detail. I mean, it doesn't show well. Actually, yeah, it kind of does. It's just the viewing angles aren't. The viewing angles are right. This is like a really good phone for only $14. I mean, I thought the ZTE Majesty Pro LTE was a bargain for $25. I mean, only $14. It's pretty good. How do you change the wallpaper? Let's go to, I think, display. Right, screen brightness all the way up. Let's put that. Ooh, it's pretty bright screen. Let's see. Location security, language and input, backup and reset, date and time, accessibility, about phone, more. Alright, well, here it is. And, it's really nice in the hands. I have to say that. It's really nice in the hands. It has all the Google apps. Look, they're all like the classic Google apps. I'll probably have to update all of them. But I probably have to put a SD card in this because, I don't know. Let's do a camera test. I think I'll do VJ, or if I'm lucky, WVGA. Oh, it does have a video camera, recording mode. It doesn't look that bad. Go to settings, advanced, picture size. Oh, let's go into video mode. Quality, super fine, I guess. There we go. Let me take a video. Let me first take a camera test. That was a camera. And let's do a video. The camera looks alright. What else does it come with? There's no bloatware. It's stock Android. It comes with no, like... Don't. This is a video recording with the $14 phone. Does it look good? I'm not sure. My face here. 2 megapixels. No flash. That sucks. There's no flash. Let's get back into the video. What else does it come with? There's no bloatware. It's stock Android. It comes with no, like... The only bloatware it does come with is the track phone account, which is not that bad actually. I still want to find out how to. There's widgets, lots of widgets. I mean, a ton of widgets. It ooh, it's pretty good. I mean, the screen's definitely plastic. I mean, if you just want a burner phone for 14 bucks, man, 14. I like how it's micro USB. And I think you can unlock it. I think you might be able to unlock it. I'm not completely sure, but I think you might be able to unlock it. Wait, does this owner? You could put like your owner, but the owner's me. You can do, you can put my name. Yeah. The owner is Oliver. Does it have Google Assistant? Oh. No, it just has like Google Now. No Google Assistant. It's pretty nice. Let's go into gallery. What's in the gallery? Oh, it's the only 2 things I did. Imagine. Let's go watch a YouTube video. See how good the video quality is. Install Play Store always. There we go. I have to update YouTube first. Alright, I uploaded alright. I got YouTube up. Let's watch a video. It's a 480p screen, I'm pretty sure. Look at the quick start guide. I mean, oh, I have to update Google Play services. But while we do that, let's take a look at the quick start guide to see if there's any more specs in here. Because I know all the other booklets are just straight talk booklets. I think this might have the actual specs and stuff. Alright, yeah, power key, receiver, touchscreen, blah blah blah, cameras, getting started. They're all in good English. It's really nicely printed, this booklet. Alright. Do they have any specifications? I think this might have like a Snapdragon 200 or some sort of ancient MediaTek processor, but I think it has a Snapdragon 200. Software update. I don't think this will get software updates. Nope, there's no information on specs in here. This is just the activation. It's in Spanish. Oh, and English. It's in both. Okay, so now Google Play services. Let's go back to YouTube so I can show you a video. Let's see the screen in action. Let's try not to get a copyrighted sort of video or anything. Come on, YouTube. Oh. Let's go. Whoops. What the hell's going on here? Oops. Come on, YouTube, launch. I know, the Google Play services is updated, you stupid. Open. It's kind of lagging on me for some reason. Alright, yeah. YouTube works. YouTube works perfectly fine. Let's put on some jerry-rig everything. So we can test the speakers. No. No, no ads. Okay. It's easier to rig everything, you know.
The Super Nintendo Classic Edition is here. It's pretty awesome that Nintendo is releasing all of their classic consoles and games in a small portable unit. With 21 games built directly into the system, it's hard for my wallet to say no. I'm mostly excited for Zelda, Mario Kart, and Super Metroid, the games I used to play back in my day.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. It can do YouTube. If it can just do YouTube, I'm alright. $14 YouTube machine. Get a free charger with it. It's pretty nice. I don't know what else to say. I mean, this phone's amazing. I mean, I thought for $14 I was just gonna get a piece of shit in the box. But nope. Let's plug it in. You're not gonna be breaking the screen because I think the screen's made of plastic. Plugged it in. It's pretty good. I mean, it's the same size as a iPhone 5 or 5C or 5S or SE, whatever. So yeah, I recommend this. I really recommend this. $14, $15 basically. Let me look at the receipt. I think I still have the receipt in here. It's here. Receipt's here. The receipt was $15.93. Do I recommend this? Yes, you should. It's a pretty good phone. I fully recommend this. This has been Phone Genius. It's your boy. No, I'm out. See ya.